Setting up your audio for your first stream or YouTube video and trying to figure out what all these things are, let's talk about compressors and limiters and why you need to use both. Hey, my name is Mo. It's great to have you here. If you've been to the channel and you've checked out the other videos in this audio series, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and you ring that notification bell so you know when these videos are going live. Let's jump into it. Now, I've done a video on this channel talking specifically about compression. I will link the video in the card right here, and I'll also put the link down in the description. So make sure you go and check that one out, because I'll go into more detail in that one about specifically what a compressor can do for you. Let's start off by talking about the limiter today, though. Think of your limiter as a line in the sand. Nothing is going to get past this point. Your limiter is a stopgap measure to keep things from getting too loud. It is there as a just-in-case scenario. The reality when you are dealing with audio is that if things get too loud, if there's too much output, not only do you risk damaging your own equipment, but you also risk damaging the equipment of your viewers, and that's the last thing you want to do. Your limiter is going to keep you from getting to that point. This is mine right here that I have on my voice for my stream set up. It's set at 13.3 under 0. Very rarely, if at all, do I get this loud, but it is there just in case I get that excited and just start screaming and yelling on stream. So what's a compressor do then? Well, a compressor does also offer means of control. When you get to a certain point, when things get loud enough and you build up enough sound pressure, the compressor will begin to compress the sound and prevent it from getting too loud. But as opposed to a limiter where it's a flat line that's going to clamp down on it immediately, a compressor is much more subtle. It's more of an angled line where it will gently and gradually compress the sound. Now, why do you need to use both? Well, a limiter is going to offer you that threshold. You know that nothing is going to get past that point and become too dangerously loud and potentially cause damage. A compressor is going to give you that subtle control, and having that subtle control is going to make your stream stand out and give you that professional sounding audio quality that you're looking for. I use compression in my stream and YouTube videos not only to make sure that my voice doesn't become too loud and potentially get distorted, but also to make sure that I have that level of control, that my voice is always exactly where I want it in the grand scheme of things. Whether the game I'm playing is getting loud or quiet, or maybe I'm a bit more soft-spoken or getting louder, maybe the music's picking up, no matter what's going on, I have control over my soundscape and can make sure that my voice carries above everything else. And this is important. Remember, one of the things that makes your content unique is you, and you want to make sure people can not only understand you, but don't have to strain to listen to you over everything else that's going on. So let's sum this up. Your limiter is there just in case things get too loud. Your compressor is going to be there to control your soundscape and make sure that things are always where you want them to be. Thank you so much for coming on by. If you liked this video, please make sure you leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more in this audio series as well as the other videos on this channel, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell. I also stream on Twitch Monday through Friday starting at 9 a.m. CST, twitch.tv/MoRains. I will link that in the description as well. I love talking about audio live, so come on by and join the community, and let's chat over there as well. Thanks for coming on by. We'll see you on the next one.